Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 8 of daily savings in July with some minis and tinies. I am working through a bunch of them. Some are new, some are still the older ones I am working through, but all in all, I'm having a blast. I've got some of my little shark friends here today, and this guy's just hanging out on the cash tray. So I have my D3 and I have my $6. So I exchange my, okay, more than that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Oh, and then I have 2 more. Okay. Filming Evo's planning ahead. All right, so we're going to take the 6 ones and put this into our minis bank. And then what we do with this is we just leave it in here until we finish one, and then we come back and cash out of our minis bank. But we take the exact amount that we put in prop coin. They're all quarters, so I don't have to mix them up. And we're going to go to our little bookmark here that says start here. So we're going to start at number 6. Okay. And then we'll take our prop coins. We've got a D3. And I almost shuffled them for no reason. All right, number 6 is getting 3. We're going to go back to 1. So I hope you are doing well. I am. It's just been a busy week, getting some stuff done around the house, getting a lot of stuff done for Budget Your Life. I have 16 mystery bags, I think. Is that what I'm calling them? Mystery bags. There's, like, some of them have slight oops, but it's really just stock that I either don't sell anymore or I'm stopping selling, whatever it is. And then, so it could be really anything from like stationery stuff to dice. Probably no bling dice. There's probably nothing blingy in there that I know of, at least yet. 3 for number 2. 2 for number 3. So yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully I'll have those launched on Thursday. 1, 2, 3. We'll see. And then I have 1 left, so that's going to go to 5. And then we will start on 6. Boop. All right. So I'm going to move you. You're like, oh no. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so we don't need this anymore. There. How about that glare? Woo. All right, so number 1 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have $1.25 going into number 1. Oh my gosh, that's exactly what we needed. So we finished Mindy at SW Fanatic Saves. I cannot believe we finished this one. That's $8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm circling the 8. That is so cool. And it's going to household. Yes, it is. And we need a new one. That's not going to get anything. I see pie. Let's go to pie. I don't know what it is, but oh, happy Thanksgiving from Budget with Tiffany 26. And if you guys don't remember her or you're newer to watching videos, she had some really fun savings challenges and kind of a cool story and cash stuffing, but she is strictly doing YNAB now, so you need a budget, and it's so fun to watch, so you should go check her out. Okay, so 1's done. So number 2, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 for $1. And this one is from Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner. So we did not finish this one, but we can mark off 4 more squares. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this one is going to save us $6 when we are done. All right, number 3, we have 1, 2, and 3, so we have 75 cents. Another one from Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner. So it was 75, so I'm going to do this other 50, and then one of those. Oh, heifer, please. This was a Wednesday Night Live exclusive last week, and that's my printer, so shocking printer issues. Okay, so number 4, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, so $1. Oh, this is a new one we put in last week, so each little spot down here is 25 cents. So we have $1, so I can do 4 squares. Should I do a different color? Let's do orange. Let's see how that looks. It looked fine until I went like crazy out of the lines. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. So we started that one with $1. All right, number 5. 1, 2, and 3. So we have 75 cents going in here. This one's from Budgeting with Kim. So I need to get my red out, and I'm going to do 3 stars, and I'll be right back. All right, so we added 75 cents here, so we have $1.25, and this one will be done. And that one's going to buffer. All right, so number 6, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $1.25 going into number 6. This one is also from Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner. So we have, did I say $1.25? Why is that so hard to remember? Yes. So 25, 50, 75, $1.25. So $1.50, and this one will be done. Yay, we finished one though today. That's exciting. And we're going to start here next time. So let's go back to the front. We are going to put our prop coins away. We're going to verify, yep, that's $8. So we're going to grab $8 out of our bank. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Put the rest of the money back in the bank. And now this one is going to household, so I can stuff that into household, which might be in this binder. We're going to find out. Nope. I only have 2 binders now, so it's not like I'm going through 8,700 of them, but household. All right, I'm going to put that back into our minis so I can keep track of how many I've done today. And by today, I mean this month. All right. And we are done. Yes, we are done. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me for day 8. We got to finish one. I'm excited. I hope you guys have an awesome week. Don't forget about my live. I have a couple new things, some digitals, and some fun physical games. So I'm doing a couple more games. Actually, the one I don't know if I'll have done in time. So we'll see. If it's not this week, it'll be next week. It's super fun. I'm excited. Something completely out of left field for me anyway. I don't know where it came from, but that's all right. I'm going with it. So have an awesome week. And until next time, take care. Bye.